Every year I cold smoke a turkey with my master built smoker. It's got the cold smoker box on the side. I use Trigger pellets. Pretty neat little device. Well, I had cleaned it out because it was full of creosote. I forgot to put the screen back in the bottom of the hopper that separates the hopper from the burner. Filled it full of pellets, started it smoking, went in the house, came back out 20 minutes later and seen all the smoke coming out, and I knew something wasn't right. So it wasn't until I did a little bit of investigation, I opened up the bottom drawer that holds the ashes. Well, little did I know I was setting myself up for catastrophe. It wasn't until I pulled the top off the feeder that this happened. Totally scared the holy crap out of me. I guess this is what they call a backdraft, but it was pretty violent.